Bentley will lift the covers off the new plug-in hybrid version of the Bentayga SUV at the Geneva Motor Show this March. This will be the first model ever to be offered with an electrified powertrain by the British luxury carmaker, expanding at the same time the range of powertrain options the Bentley Bentayga can be had fault with. Bentley has promised to offer a plug-in hybrid version of every model in the range, with the Bentayga plug-in hybrid expected to feature a similar powertrain as the one used in the Porsche Panamera E-Hybrid, Automotive News reports. Porsche's electrified powertrain pairs a 2.9-liter V6 with a 136-horsepower electric motor for a combined output of 462 horsepower, enabling the plug-in hybrid Panamera to travel on electric power alone up to 48 kilometers or about 30 miles. The Bentley Bentayga is now available with two engine choices, including a V8 diesel and the range-topping W12 versions. The company will add a turbocharged V8 option in the range in the coming weeks, with the new plug-in hybrid model to go on sale in the second half of the year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive videos.